wala pa ako ka-enhance o balik with admin. But, of course, we will be sent to our participants the slides. Release na muna ng Division Learning Facilitator natin. Okay? So this is now, we are now the overview of BST and its indicators for employment. So here are the sessions. We'll be able to explain the features and its importance in assessing the performance of teacher applicants. Identify the classroom observable indicators and classroom observable indicators in teaching practices. We were able to discuss ipang-enhance lang the importance and relevance of this COI and endpoints with assessment to the teacher performance for promotion and exhibit sincerity and confidence in attacking the PPST. So PPST is based on Ticket Order number 42, series of 2017. Okay, nandun pa na? 42 ang basis na doon na 2017. These are the set of standards that stipulates the professional practice expected to be achieved by quality teachers at every career stage. And it is in the framework of the teacher quality that details the expectations for teachers as they advance in their knowledge, practice, and professional engagement. So in the structure of the PPST, I believe all of you are very familiar with this because you are practicing it. Including, of course, our school heads, because our school heads are the one of the people, if hindi man sila good tanan, dahil sa tanang mga teachers nila, kaya share sila sa mga master teachers, but they do observe. Our school heads are the instructional leaders in their school, respective school. So, in the structure of PPST, we have, of course, first, the domains. Pila ka po ang domains sa teacher? 7. Very good. 7 na po ang domains. It is actually changed or equivalent to the TRA of your ITCRF. However, hindi na the same of number. Kapag mo, change na siya. Kaya sa itumay, depende kung sa PPST-based performances na pagawas sa BHROD for the year. And we will be releasing for the 2024-5 up to 2028. We already have, of course, the DM of that. Na official, actually, the way ko nga sa NIR, pagawas sila, sa kung pagawas sila, pero kung wala akong pagawas sa NIR, sa ilang RM. Kaya supposedly, before all na release of the Division Memorandum for Dissemination, it should be from the regional office. That's a national, regional, kaya it will be reference nato sa ilang. Domain ang reference nato sa kung sa DM or the DepEd issuance, but definitely si regional office should release before the division will release. But if wala pa rin siya, ipagawas na ito, kailangan ngayon no para sa inyong inset. But wala kailangan malipayo ng tanan because of the meteor break. But hearing from the other divisions actually they're actually adopting good with the teachers opted to have their mid-year inset karoon din ang schedule. So now yung mga divisions na ilang capacity for 4 days. Usually ilang capacity kayo 4 days sila sa tuwan din sa special days. So muna, ibalayan sila. Okay, so in the structure, na-high domains, how many strands? If you have 7 domains for the teacher, we have 7 domains. How many strands? 37. Okay, so 9 strands, then these are actually the more specific on the survey domain. So under the domain, we have for the teacher, 7 kabuok for domain 1, then 6, iba siya. 5. So these are more specific dimension of the teacher's practice under every grade. So ang total na is 37. How many PPSD indicators? We have also 37. Okay? And each of that, kanan sa mga strands is actually, okay, distributed into 4 career stages. Or not distributed, but not grade yung specific description on the developmental stage. So first is the beginning. Okay, that's why the indicators per stage from grade, observable, measurable, measurable teacher behaviors and practices covered in every strand. So, kung paano ang atong stages?
Beginning.
Wala siya. Ako na insert ha. So that you will know that there's a beginning teacher, there's the proficient teachers, and there's the half-proficient teachers and distinguished teachers. The beginning teachers actually, as practice, wala tayong beginning teacher na ayaw sila. Let's be clear to that. Kaya kung hindi na siya maklaro, hindi sila na, lingkod mo si teacher 2 o si teacher 3. In the evaluation, we'll be using beginning. Meaning ko, ang iyang highest score, ana, is how much? 30. 6 na ang highest. Meaning, in the 5 indicators for that position, teacher 2 and teacher 3, pila ang high score? 6 in every indicator. The total, 30. Okay? That is for teacher 2. For teacher 3, pila? Sa same ba? Or sa ito? Di ba ito 25? 30 dapat. Okay, 30. Okay? So, if that's the case, we're going to get this one teacher. Yes, towards provision. Okay? But again, ang IPCRF na nabindon, then pa yung confirm din. Okay, sige. So, meaning ko, in the teacher 2 and teacher 3 is the beginning. But they are using proficient teacher in their IPCR. Taro? Okay. Ayaw ko kita o beginning na IPCRF. For proficient teachers, they will now have 3 is the lowest, 7 is the highest. And the total is 35, the highest score. Alright? In the proficient teachers, it's 4 is the lowest, 8 is the highest. Teacher, master teacher, 1 to 2. For master teacher 3, ligawas na ang inyong IPCRF or distinguished. So, master teacher 3 ka, you will be using that for 2025-2026. Starting 22 year 2025-2026. Alright? So, ang highest ninyo during the classroom observation, 5, ang lowest, 9 is the highest, 45. Right? Taro? Now, we will have this activity, and activity sheets is already available dito sa link na akong ihatag dito. So, kung sa itong panahon, assign a colleague from your group to be responsible for specific domain. For 3 minutes, you will review the indicators listed under provision career stage with teacher 4 labihin ang example. For the assigned theme, analyze per minute. Classify each indicator as either classroom observable or non-classroom observable. By marking the appropriate column, record the total number of voids and inputs in the last row, summarize the total by adding up the voids and inputs across all the grades. So, gagawin mo ang activity sheets si participants, or a group of participants. I-identify na lang nila kung mali ba siyang indicator, o mali, and o mali. Right? Sige. Pag umana ng 3 minutes, usual lang timeman. After that, you will be asking them. Kaya mag-compute na sila kung ila. Isa, sa ilang output. Ila na i o supposed to come out. Okay, now me how many are the boys and boys in this for the whole PPST class. So first in the main, there are 7. So how many boys? 6. How many boys? 1. Okay, that's only 1.2.2. Right? Next, what's trending in gamit? I mean, has trending in gamit. Dilitin ko lang. Wala, makaroon ta kung career stage na ang iyong gamit. Ibigay siya 1.1.2, 1.1.3. Okay? Makaroon na ta kung proficient, highly proficient, kung 4 distinguished. In the main 2, they're all 4. In the main 3, there are 6. In the main 3, there are also all 4. Okay? There are actually 5 boys. In the main 4, there are 2 boys and 3 boys. In the main 5, there are 2 boys and 3 girls. And in the main 6, tanan ana, or the main 7, puro and boy. And the total now is 21 boys and 16 boys. Check ba tanan? Okay. So, yung tanaw. Check ba tanan? So this is now a distribution of the 3-year. This is actually based on the order number 38 series of family. Okay? Kaya mo pa man ito gigamit karon. For the following year, you'll be releasing the PM, the division of that. Kapag ito na ito reference. Hindi ito naman siya sa 89. Which are only nabutuan. So, we have already release now. Okay? So, only, these are the 3 years distribution. The same number din siya sa karoon ng mga. Ibalik lang, nag-change na siya. 2025, 2026, 2026, 2027, 2027. And this will be for the Master Teacher 1 and 2. I-insert lang na ito ang Master Teacher dito. Pwede ko remind na ito i-insert sa distinguish. Alright? But again, since we are evaluating ang goods 1, munang dili pa ko ito. Alright? Naambil na siya. So, kung dili mo siya ma-insert, okay lang. Basta let's remind our teachers na naay memo for the distinguished for Master Teachers 3 and 5. Alright? So, pag kumain sa activity, you will just process and have the process questions. There are actually 5 questions originally, but we will be having only 3 questions in this case. So, what do you feel within the activity help you pag-identify yung kanina yung panuno? So, as self-evaluators, pwede kami ingon na what is the relevance of one sentence distinction? Self-evaluators ang ato gamiton. Pwede mo ako para maka-check na as a self-evaluator. Okay. Self-assessment na ta. Self-evaluator na ta. Okay, ha? Okay? Sige. Now, this is now, so before now I believe it's very nice that we will now learn more about the PPST, COI, and ENCO. Okay? So, for the classroom observation, so please read, pwede mo mapabasa, no? These are actually the observable practice of teachers in the classroom. And the endpoints are the teacher's practices demonstrated outside and beyond the classroom and not observable within the classroom context that are necessary to support the teaching and learning process. There's a difference. Okay? So kung napakay-time, tanaw namin mo, pwede kang maka-ask nila before they may flash up yung revision. So, muna ang rubrics na ito gamit. So, the rubric levels, they present. That's why here, C in beginning 2 to 4 or 2 to 6, provision 3 to 7, Allo provision 4 to 8, and distinguished 5 to 9. And here, are the level names. So, the teacher 2 and 3 applicants will be observed based on building until applied. Okay? And then for the provision teacher, we'll have teacher 4 to 7. We'll have the organizing, they will be observed from organizing level to integrated. Okay, and so let's now unpack the BPST indicators. So for example, here the main three diversity of learners. Kaya ano siya, no? Ato mo siya nag-awal ko. Kung sa tayo yung ba ko, boy ba na siya or men boy. Muna siya ang pinaka-purpose ng ganyan niya. So, if you are school master teachers ng raters mo ka na, no? Nakabasa mo ka na sa levels of practices in each of these career stages. Tanan, educators. You have your guide, tama? In the levels of practices. Sometimes, managingon kami that we have outstanding performances, yet it's not reflected in the performance of our learners. Ano? Ano pa ha? We have outstanding performances, yet our learners have a very poor performance. Why? Yes?
Some teachers are doing their best during the
CO.
CO, but not on the day every day.
Yes. If you can go back to the standards itself, it's really, shall I say, high level of standards. Imagine an error or no error in your presentations or during your observation. It's only S. S na. Satisfactory na. Walay error. Halos ang mga 7 teacher, 5 na sa PPST or sa inyong CO. Diba? 5 equivalent to the RPMS, 3 satisfactory. Ang yan pa nga yung unta and extensive knowledge. High level, that is 7, which is equivalent to 5. Pero si teacher na nag-deliver during sa iyang CO, bantayada. Yan naman. Kung imong balikan ang top, actually the PPST sets a very high standard. Unfortunately, some of our teachers are only doing their outstanding lessons during CO, and that's what we thought.
Because they're not consistent.
Yes.
May consistent ma'am, pero depende kasi sa bata.
Is it? Is it?
Lain-lain dyan.
Dapat ang bata din may ipapasa, how are you going to understand the topic?
Oh, now here comes the challenge. Okay. Friends, ayaw na mo, kung kayo ha, kaya alam mo mga teachers na for sure will act. But let them realize that somehow, ang hindi mo tanaw, supposedly ang good, di makapantay mo. If hindi mo siyang everyday practice, hindi ka maayos na supposedly in the season. Ano? Hindi mo siya i-practice everyday. If your learners understand your lesson on during your CO, it's because you know what kind of approach or strategy ang imong ihatag ni bata para makakapon. Pero ang everyday other lesson nimo, hindi mo ordinary na wala ka. Bahala ka lang yung sakto mga visual aids, bahala ka sa estudyante magandang sa liha, because you don't put, some of our teachers that put much of their efforts the same kung nag-siko sila. Let's be honest about it. Let's be transparent reality. So si teacher, kung kabalo siya sa iyang pag-awalingon, maikot sila. Gumagay na mabagal ng mga teachers, maikot magpa-outstanding. Isa swerte kayo ang ilaw ng mga lessons, ano? nga na sila makito. Kaya maguna-muna man sila to some of the teachers, magulang sila, kumusta ang performance ng mga bata.
Yes.
Kaya bottom line ani, kung everyday lang dipunta outstanding ang performance ni teacher sa iyang kada lesson, maayon po ang performance secondly ang mga bata. Balikan na muna nato sa reflection. At the same time, ito natin i-valid. Don't worry, reactions will be but that's them na somehow na-argue yung mga inanak ng mga sungkot sa mga teachers. Of course, hindi natin na iwan na na-argue pa ng coach ng next review. Yes.
Ulit na mo.
Share lang po ba ako sa inyo? For example, sa kami school, topic lang sa kasa. So, advantage na pinanima sa teacher. Of course, if you are in that teacher now, you have 5 subjects, and those 5 also subjects. So, preparation sa inyo, college po siya.
Yes. Yes, it's the same po. Bumalik lang yung sa tuwa.
Yes, ma'am.
Bumalik lang yung sa tuwa. Gapon po, di ba? Kasi kung saan pag-upload nato na, again, wala ko gusto mga teachers ha, na it's plain their fault. There are so many factors. There are so many factors. However, it's a reflection.
Medyo mawala ng teacher pa.
Somehow, bumalik lang nato.
Yes,
Learners are really learning now.
Nindot po og na-apoy ka ng student evaluation ginaw.
Actually, no. We're looking forward to that. Actually, we're looking forward to that. Yes.
Na walay makabalo ba Miss Bani? Na somebody nga muhata. Kaysa si teacher ako mo evaluate sa bata. Subjective kayo. Whereas somebody nga mo hatag, mo express with ang
Yes, ma'am.
bata.
Actually, ma'am, ano ka na, okay ko na tulong lang iba na sa television na and we also know that when sa mga bata, I think my teacher.
Nice, nice.
Unfortunately po, it's not the same with higher education.
Na-evaluation sa Norso. Mga estudyante mo yung rate.
What if si teacher buwan na ka din? Pero sige.
You're on this. Okay? By this.
Sigilo na ba dyan yung batas tinuod?
Sige.
Kadang na po yung mga teacher nga mag-CO sila, ilang break.
Wala ako. Wala amay.
Sa?
Wala amay na.
Yes,
Sa di ay?
Sa
Ay, mag-pre-demo.
Wait lang mga friends. Minasal tayo mga friends na go.
Mag-pre-demo.
It would be a challenge. Good. Ganahan kay Tura, mag-demo ng teacher niya, hindi yung student. Kaya kung dili niya yung student, normal man sila sa bata, makapalam siya kung sa'yo, tupad, kung kaya dili niya student, mulahan, mag-check yun niya because sa indicator na plan and manage teaching strategies, adaw gawin dili na makita sila sa plan. Ang kanya mga mataan, mananang kag-lesson, balikan mo sila gusto na. So, check. Or even, right sa
Ma'am.
check.
Okay ninyo. May katang sa naman yung session.
Plus,
Grade 3 nila po.
there's dapat they should have the best practice, the best evaluation from students, not only from teacher na mentor. At the same time, even the students impose it as well.
Inuwi lang is, no? Wala na ang cheese na rin ha, ang mag-practice nato. Ano man, because again, we're talking about the boys and girls. It affects the performance of our learners. So, iba sila sila. Pwede ko magpapalo ba na yung mga this is a discussion nato. And it's a good point yun po. Kung pinamuna nga, hopefully, sa design.
So, sa
Okay,
kaya
parang
elementary.
Nasa yung percentage
So,
Miss Bani?
the overall
Parents, wala yung
unfortunately, we don't have
It
that.
would be a random evaluation. So that ang bata,
Dili ma-aware ba?
Basta, pero kaya wala na ha. So, balik ko, Escola, before ko, kanilang ano ang ano, paangay ba ba ito sa kamay? Sige. So, muna ginahanglan nato na ma-open ko ang kamay.
Student evaluation. Ingno dyo ko maldita. Iso.
On how they have
Ingno dyo ko
carried
iso.
out their responsibilities inside the classroom. And alam niyo ito because again, if you are very familiar with the features of practices and standards based on the different indicators of these teachers' performances, makita ninyo how high the standards are.
Taas kaya dyo ka.
Taas tayo. But with evaluation, outstanding ang performance ng teacher on the point, on the end points. Aron, pagtanaw sa lesson plan. Tanaw ang lesson plan ha, usa ka pagtanaw sa lesson plan, naanay sa iyo kung
Mas
imagine, lesson plan. Isubmit, naay sa iyo kagaling na spelling. Umatter ba siya?
say mangutang.
Remember, you
Sa
were
kadaghan
actually
ng
saying the
influence na istra.
standard
Ginoo ko tabang sila oy. Dili jud na malikayan.
of your evaluation.
Malikayan. Spigil sa ito.
As a master teacher at school head,
Dili pagkaw.
wala man siguro mo siya na ipabaligid, pero yung italaw ang standards, hindi mo siya, no error. Pag deliver niya,
Spelling.
pag niya ako ng pagtanaw,
Wala pa dyan i-post sa libula na. Dito.
muna iingon, balikan ako paghahapon ang statement.
Last being not
The teacher has a very most motivated role.
Apila na adapter dahil.
Apila na dili na ta.
Una galing ako yung request sa ako mga raters diha sa classroom, do not read anything else except observations. Be familiar with the indicators na iyong tanaw. Familiar. Wala ko maingon na
memorize.
memorize. So, wala ko maingon na iyong memorize. Be familiar. But actually, kung iyong ka mo sa classroom, ayaw mo na muna o lagi. Tanawa, ginawa, kung sa gabi, kung sa siya just down everything. And that's when we go back. Kaya kung free flow, try mo kayo mga assessors na tulo sa classroom, really appreciate more na nasulat sila.
Problema naman.
Kaya free flow, wala free. Kaya pag ganun, yung mga president pa, sa iyong ginagawa na kaya because grading should be given after. Makabalikan sa iyong office, then talk para sa post. Okay? Sige. Una dito lang po, no? Kung awal ka ninyo yung provision. Miss, ready na natin, Miss? Or wala ka? Wala ka. Okay ba mo? Okay ba kamay?
Gamay.
Sige. Sige. Ako sa tanong. Kanin po, learners in Muslim cultural, social, and economic standards. Proficient teachers establish a learner-centered culture by using teaching strategies that respond to linguistic, cultural, social, economic, and standards. Kung sa ibang ita, na ay mga